How to backup partition to image file. Select the partition you want to backup in DiskGenius and click the Backup Partition button on the toolbar. Click Select Image File button to name the image file and set a location to save it. You can click Settings button to configure advanced settings. Click Start button. After clicking Hot Backup, the software will back up the partition immediately. Click the Complete button when the backup is complete. You can find the image file you just backed up in the previous storage location.